Good evening. I'm DeTracy Regula, coming to you from the Temple of Isis, and I've been asked to read the Rite of Restoration from my book, The Mysteries of Isis. And this is a prayer I wrote for comfort and to bring peace in time of grief when we have had someone dear to us who has passed. And it's based on the Book of Breathings, which is the poem said to be written by Isis that she used to raise him up from the dead. So in this case, it is to restore someone we love to full spiritual life once they have left us. Come to your house. Come to your house. Beautiful being, return to your house. Your body awaits, renewed and ready. Come occupy your form, your beautiful form, for your travels beyond. Swift and sharp is your mind, your beautiful mind. Wit without limit, your beautiful mind. Strong and mighty are your limbs, your beautiful limbs. Moving without limit, your beautiful limbs. Clear and bright are your eyes, your beautiful eyes. Seeing without limit, your beautiful eyes. Full and pink are your lips, your beautiful lips. Speaking without limit, your beautiful lips. Red and moist is your tongue, your beautiful tongue. Tasting without limit, your beautiful tongue. Clear and soft is your skin, your beautiful skin, protecting without limit your beautiful skin. Strong and steady is your heart, your beautiful heart, beating without limit your beautiful heart. Deep and full is your breath, your beautiful breath, breathing without limit your beautiful breath. All things are perfect within you. All functions are restored within you. Wholly perfect, wholly restored. Awaken into this body of light. Justified spirit, your trials are past. The measure is made. The weight is balanced. As a new being, you go forth in the daytime. You go forth in the light. As a new being, you go forth in the nighttime. You go forth in the night. Go forth, beloved one. Isis is before you. Nephthys is behind you. Anubis guides you. Osiris welcomes you. Until rebirth you shall remain an honored guest at his table. At the table of Osiris you take your seat. Whole and perfect, among the blessed, you take your seat. And this can be used especially in cases where there's been a great loss of function over time, as in the extreme elderly, or those whom disease has robbed of certain easy functions like breathing, or where there's been some accident or damage. It's a restoration of wholeness, and I have been told, can be very helpful at these times. And as I mentioned, it's inspired by the Book of Breathings. And I just also wanted to share with you briefly, since our theme is peace, this beautiful image. This is from Daniela Schenker's book, Kuan, Accessing the Power of the Divine Feminine, which is regretfully out of print. We would love to talk to Daniela and perhaps republish it. There's also these wonderful illustrations, which I think bring so much to the book, and those are by Antonia Baginski, and really lovely. Very simple and very beautiful. And this is the white-robed Kuan Yin, just kind of blowing out there with brightness, but there you can see the image, I hope. And this is the description from Daniela. It's the white-robed Kuan Yin whose keyword is peace. Standing upon a magnificent white lotus, Kuan Yin holds another white lotus flower in her left hand. She wears flowing white robes and a veil and holds her right hand in the mudra of fearlessness. In this form, Kuan Yin grants peace and hears the prayers of the people. The color white represents purity, merit, and the enlightened spirit. We feel better and more pure if we have put our house in order and carry no dead wood, unless perhaps we're a woodcutter. We also develop purity through devotion and merit, through serving others. This is easier if we are not busy working on our own issues, when we have already made peace with ourselves. And from the Lotus Sutra. Endowed with all benefits, she views living beings with compassionate eyes. The sea of her accumulated blessings is immeasurable. Therefore, you should bow your head to her. From the Lotus Sutra, with the language slightly feminized. Contemplation associated with this image of Kuan Yin is to tune in to white-robed Kuan Yin if you wish to have more peace in your life, and if you would like to enjoy more inspiration and ease on your personal path to enlightenment. Well, who would not want those good things? And may all good things come to you, especially a peaceful heart, regardless of what may be going on around you, what disruptions and losses you may experience. May you have the blessing and grace of peace. Imhotep is the Egyptian word in peace. So, Imhotep.